Melanie getting rid of hiccups.
There we go. Are they
I
gone?
haven't worked yet.
I think they're gone.
Are they gone?
I think so.
Look at you. Yeah, they're gone. Because you're hiccuping
Well, I'm
around.
concentrating on like not hiccuping because I don't want to hiccup anymore. I really think they're gone.
Well,
They're gone. It was a miracle.
Yes!
Work.